Ever wanted to create a professional e-signature without spending a dime? Today, I'll show you how to make one quickly using Canva, even if you've never designed anything before. First, open Canva and click on Create a Design. You can choose a custom size, but for signatures, a small horizontal layout works best. In the search bar, type signature or email signature, and you'll find a variety of ready-made templates. Pick one that feels professional and easy to read. Now comes the fun part, customizing it. Replace the placeholder text with your own name. You can make it look handwritten by choosing a cursive or script font, or even upload a scanned version of your actual signature for a personal touch. Play around with colors, spacing, and elements until it feels just right. Once you're happy with your design, click download and make sure to select PNG with a transparent background. This ensures your signature will look clean on any document or email. Finally, upload your new signature to your email client's signature settings or insert it into documents. Just like that, you have a professional digital signature ready to go. Creating an e-signature in Canva is that simple, fast, professional, and entirely customizable. Try it out and add that personal touch to your emails and documents today.